In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect and triage requests with lists in Slack 5 minutes. Let's get started by logging into Slack. Once you're in your workspace, look for the plus icon. This is your quick action button for creating things in Slack, and it's where we'll begin. Click the plus, then choose List. Lists are a great way to standardize how requests come in and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. On the list creation screen, open the template gallery by selecting Explore More Templates. From there, find and select the Help Request Tracker template. This template is designed specifically to collect inbound requests and route them consistently. Click Use Template to bring it into your workspace. Before you publish anything, tailor the list to your team's needs. Add, edit, or delete fields so you capture all the key details you care about, things like request type, priority, due date, the requester's department, or any links and attachments. Keep field names clear and use dropdowns or dates where possible to keep inputs consistent. This upfront structure pays off when you're triaging later. Next, move to workflows for this list. Choose Form, then click Setup. Slack automatically generates a form based on the fields in your list, which saves you time and keeps the intake consistent. Review each question to confirm the wording and the order makes sense. Make any label tweaks needed for clarity and ensure the most important questions are required. Give your form a clear, friendly title so teammates know exactly what to use it for. For example, submit a help request. A straightforward title reduces back and forth and improves the quality of submissions. When everything looks good, click Publish Workflow. This activates the form so people can start submitting. Now let's put it in front of the right audience. Click Share, select the channel where you want people to find and use the form, and then click Forward to post it. This drops a card in the channel so anyone can open the form and submit. Wrap up by clicking Done. From here, every submission lands in your list with the fields neatly organized, making triage easy. You can sort by priority, filter by request type, and quickly assign owners. A helpful tip: keep field options concise and standardized, and review the list regularly to archive completed items. That way, your channel stays focused, and your list becomes a reliable source of truth for incoming requests.